more steps. So you can do all of these things with a group. Yay! And the power of groups. So when everyone makes their board, we actually go around and share what we feel comfortable sharing. And the power of speaking out loud after writing something down in a group just amplifies your desires and your wishes and your goals. And in a way, we are supporting you just by hearing you and witnessing that you have committed yourself to something, right? We know how this works. Like, you set a goal to work out every day. Great. If you work out and if you tell your best friend to come do it with you, you're more likely to go work out every day because you have this accountability partner. So do this in a group. If you want, you can be each other's accountability partners or not. Even just saying it in the group when the group's together, speaking it into existence, because our words are spells, right? Spelling is casting spells in a positive way, to be clear. And you will see how effective this is. You'll want to do it with everything. So it requires a safe space, of course. It requires like trusted people. So gather your group wisely and watch it manifest. Oh, I can't wait to see.